This is Kevin Borden, Vanish Dent Repair. We service Modesto and the Central Valley. This is a repair I recently did for a customer. Her neighbor ran into her car and left this very complex dent. The good news is that her neighbor paid for the repair for her. It's an Acura TL with white pearl tri-coat paint, making it very hard to match the color. They were quoted over $2,000 by a local body shop, and I was able to do the repair for her at a fraction of that price, and I completed the repair in one day. Here's the repair at about 80% done, and here are the tools that I used. And here is the finished result. We were able to save the fender from having to be replaced, and we're able to keep the factory finish, which is far superior. When she came to pick up the car, she said, "Wow, I didn't know that was possible without repainting." So if you have damage like this to your vehicle that needs to be repaired, give us a call at 209-404-1001, Vanish Dent Repair. Thankful for another happy customer and another 5-star review.